Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can sync your videos or photos with audio by using the Match Cut feature on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to get the audio from this. I'm just going to extract audio. Then I'm going to select the audio, and then as you can see there's an auto beat section here. This is where you can match cut audio. You can like match cut it here manually. So that's basically you just adding in beats yourself, or you can like press Control J on it to add in beats. And like to remove it, you can just press Control J again, or like this minus here. Or you can select this clear beats to delete the whole thing. But I personally like to use auto beats, so you can use beat 1 or beats 2. And here you can add in pictures to match the beat here. And that's basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!